Hello, friends. Welcome to the learning session on the essentials of project management, the YouTube channel Learning with SV. I am your host, Seshadri. Today, we shall be talking about a relatively easy topic of project management, which is called quality. Thankfully speaking, the really difficult chapters of project management with reference to schedule and cost are thankfully over in the earlier video presentations. Now we can sit back and expect to score in the least 20 marks with this chapter quality. What is this quality all about, and why is there so much of impetus in this word called quality? The ISO definition of quality is as follows: the totality of all products and systems that is actually being built into a product to meet its stated and or implied needs is quality. I repeat, the totality of all products and systems that is actually built into a product to meet its stated and or implied needs. What does this actually imply? There is something what we call as a totality of systems, the summation of all needs and expected outcomes which the product is supposed to fulfill is actually called as quality. And there is also an extension parameter of quality which we commonly call as grade. In today's parlance, both quality and grade seem to be used interchangeably. However, there is a definite element of difference between the two terms. Grade actually refers to the technical aspects of the solution which are being built and which is being dealt to the customer. If you look at it closely, the way of constructing a small hut is definitely not the way of constructing a home, and the way we construct a home is definitely not the same we construct a 5-star hotel or a 7-star hotel, and the way we construct a 5-star hotel or a 7-star hotel is definitely not the same in which we erect a 25,000 feet or a 50,000 feet structure or a superstructure. What is that finesse of quality of the product? That finesse is what we call as grade. It nothing but the technical aspects of the solution and the differences which are actually being delivered to the customer. If we look at it one more example from the software solution that is actually being delivered, which we tend to use on a day in day out basis, the quality performance or the throughput of the Windows 10 Home Edition is surely not the same as Windows 10 Pro. And Windows 10 Pro is similar to Windows 10 Enterprise, but definitely not the same. What is that actually blurs the line? That is nothing called as grade. The technological aspects or the technical characteristics of the solution which is actually being encompassed and built into the solution to cater to different needs of the expectations of the customer. Now, why is this quality being considered with such a forceful impact? A low grade quality of a product may be acceptable. A low quality product is definitely not acceptable. I repeat, a low grade quality of a product is acceptable or may be acceptable. However, a low quality product is never acceptable, come what may. Now, if you look at it from project management aspects, what are the steps to deal with project quality? First thing is plan for project management quality or plan quality management. Then in earlier systems, we had a dedicated quality assurance specialist who used to sit and do dedicated quality assurance activities in the team. Over a period of time, this focused dedication to one team became an oversell in itself, by which not sufficient attention was being given to multiple other projects. Typically, if you look at it from an enterprise perspective, it's just not one or two projects, but there are, let us say, thousands and 2,000 or 3,000 such business solutions which are being delivered to customers. So in such a case, there became a central focal where the quality assurance or a delivery assurance or delivery excellence person used to sit with the project. Upon his assignment or her assignment of the project, he used to take over other assignments and move further. So from performing quality assurance, the term changed over to what we call as managing quality assurance. Now the incumbent responsibility of managing quality rests with the project manager and also with the project team. So now we have planning for quality management, managing the quality, and once the quality has been managed, we need to ensure that the quality aspects of the product are well within the encompassed parameters, the threshold limits. So plan for quality management, managing the quality, and controlling the quality aspects. In typical agile considerations, the quality of the project is actually being built into the project and not specifically inspected. However, in plan driven projects, the quality of the product actually gets inspected on because we are delivering the product over a period of time. However, in adaptive projects or in agile projects, the product gets frequently delivered, so quality gets inbuilt into the project. Now, how does this quality get factored into the project in an agile project? It is with that specific acceptance criteria and a ranking of the user stories by which we are assigning the complexity factor by which the overall acceptance of the project and the throughput of quality is getting measured. So I really want to thank you for having spent some time trying to understand the aspects of project quality management. You may want to know that this YouTube channel has actually crossed 240 plus subscribers. I am really wanting to thank each and every one of you for all your support and consideration for having subscribed to this YouTube channel and to ensure that the overall initiative is made a resounding success. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do like, share and subscribe, by virtue of which I get encouragement and I am able to contribute more videos of the like to overall project management community and fraternity at large. Once again, I take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a very happy festive season, a very safe festive season, and stay home, stay safe, get vaccinated soon. Wish you all the best in your PMP certification preparation, and may all the good luck shine upon each and every one of you. Thank you all.